Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be here, and this is your girl Faith Kaimba. As usual, I'm your plug for decluttering and organizing, and today I just happened to walk into my earlier client's house. She had called me for touch up, lakini I do not even think she's at that level yet. She's at an ordinary level, as in I'm so impressed, and I want her to share her experience because we did this organizing I think last year in August, and guys, I am impressed. I am so happy. The only thing we did, we came in, we decluttered, we organized, but we gave her a system, something that she could work with. That's something that she could help her be able to attain and maintain being organized. And to my surprise, she has really maintained it. So I want to show you how practical it is, how it is, because most people have been asking me, once you organize, how do I manage to maintain? So this is a practical example. As I've told you, we organized this house in August last year, if I'm not wrong, and things have happened in between, but this is 2022 in February, and it's amazing. She has done an amazing job. So I want to welcome her. She tells you how she has been managing to do this, and before she does that, let me just show you. I have not actually organized this place. This is the way I found it. And as you can see, look, she has maintained the whole place. Look at this. And it's not just in her room, it's in all the rooms that she has in this house. These are drawers. Every part is just, look, it's just amazing. And it's possible, guys, it's possible. So just let her tell you. Let me talk to her. Over time she's become a friend as well. I just found her in the house, don't mind her. So kindly, how have you been?
Good. I'm very good.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe you can tell us, how are we of help to you? How did you like it? How did you manage to go on after we left?
Mm-hmm.
And considering that I did not leave you with help
Yeah.
at that particular moment in time, and you were, you had a baby bump.
Yes.
So I want to know how the experience has been.
Well, I think it has been very smooth for me. I mean, you taught me how to organize myself, how to put what where. I would never have thought of that if it was me doing it on my own. I'm a very organized person, but you just took me to another level, which I'm so happy. It has brought a lot of structure in my life. I'm able to know quickly what is where. Yeah. So with that, sometimes I used to forget how to fold things, so I would go back and see what you had already folded and just use that to fold the new things. I think I've changed house helps 2 or 3 times since you came, so I also have to teach them how to do it.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's been amazing. I really like it because now I know exactly where you put my lipsticks. I know exactly where you put my perfume. My t-shirts are all color coordinated.
Yes.
It has just been so smooth. It's made my mornings so much easier to get dressed and go to work.
Wow.
Yeah, it's been good.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy to hear that. As she says, by the way, we found she's a very organized person. She only needed a system, like I said. So that is the only thing we provided her with. We just gave her a system, and she picked it and ran with it. So why can't you do that? Why can't you try and get a system? And if it's so hard for you in your house, kindly reach out to us. We are going to provide that for you. We are going to give you a system, something that can work out for you. And it doesn't have to be exactly what we gave her. It's just a custom thing. Like it's different in different houses because we are different, and your personality is different from her personality. But organizing is one thing. Getting organized, it just means that you get to get your things when you need them, and get everything that you need, not looking for one thing and wearing the same thing all the time. Yeah. And the trick is decluttering. Don't keep what you do not need. You do not need, and you will never need it. Yeah, learn to take out, learn to give out, and you don't have to give out what is worn out. No. You can give out even something you bought yesterday because you feel you will never wear it. So guys, that is what I had for you today. I hope you keep it right here, and if you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, because I'm going to be bringing you, especially from now onwards, I'm going to be bringing you amazing organizing videos for your homes. Kindly share this video as well so that people can know that organizing is real, it's happening, and it's happening right here in Kenya. With your girl Faith Kaimba, Faith the Organizer. Until next time, bye bye.